Good morning. Hope everybody's doing great. Today we're going to be looking at Computer Science Principles, Unit 4, and we're going to go ahead and look at Lesson 9. So let's let this go ahead and load up. 10, 9. All right, so we've gone through this. If you're in my class, we've gone through this. Okay. And you guys should be looking at level 6, okay? And on this one, let's just read through here what they want you to do. And then we'll go ahead and work through it. It says, do this. This is a lemon squeezy app you worked on earlier in this unit. And you guys remember we've been making this app. It's where let's just run it and play. Oh, I got to put in a password. So I got Lemonhead and I got Sour Power. Okay. And I have to have a password. Well, I don't know what the password is, but if I look down in my code, I can see if it's Lemonhead, password is lemon123. So it was lemon123, right? Lemonhead, yeah. And then we're trying to click on, or we just move our mouse over, essentially, the lemon without hitting the lime. Oh, I hit a lime there. And as I go, notice the lemon is getting smaller. Well, I lost. And you collect the 15 lemons, play again. No. Okay. So it says look inside the event handler for lemon and lime to find the repeated code. And then replace the repeated block of code with a single function called update screen. Okay? That you declared once but call twice. So we're going to see down here if anything, make sure I haven't created this. Okay. So we have not, but you can see that this here is repeated here. Okay, move the lemon and limes. All right, let's see if there's anything else we got to do before we do this. And then how does the newly added update screen function help keep your code better organized? All right, so that's all we're doing. We're just going to create a function. So I'm going to go down to the bottom. Make sure they didn't give me a place where they want me to place this. Okay, they have not. So here we go, function. My function. Put it down at the bottom. It says my function. Well, it's going to move lemon lime. So I'm just going to call this move. Well, I guess they wanted to update, didn't they? So update screen is what they were calling it. And I'm just going to take this. Control X. I just cut it. And I'm going to paste it in here. So I got that little black mark down there. Control V. That is now in there. I cut it from here. Now, if I play this, this is not going to work because it no longer has that code in there. So I need to put this in and do an update screen. All right, so now this should work again if we were to play. Okay, that works fine. Okay, and that was on event line mouse over. So that works. Now we're going to cut this. Delete. I cut that out. This is on event lemon. So now if I hit play, now let's add that back in there. Where did I just cut that from? There it is. We got to call that back. Okay, my function, it was called update screen. There we go. No, it would work if I could spell right, right? You might ask how I knew. I had that little triangle there, and it said that it hadn't been, you can see, it hasn't been declared yet. And it's like, oh, yeah. No, it has not been declared because I didn't spell it right. All right. And there's what we do on this level. So that is done. We just created that function. Normally, if I was going to create a function, I would do it before I programmed everything right. But it makes it super easy now. If I wanted to change this, how far these could move, I could do that change right here and it'd affect it all the way through my code. So functions are very important to use. But often you will program your functions or decide you're going to create functions before you ever start coding. And then you got this update pattern. And then you guys will be checking for understanding. Okay? So in your own words, describe the benefits of creating functions in your code. All right. Have a good day. I hope this video helps you. Until next time.